What if we told you there's a secret formula that separates businesses that explode from nowhere into multi-million-dollar success stories from those that struggle to grow past their first year? You're about to discover the 10 critical ingredients that turn ordinary small businesses into scaling powerhouses. Today we're looking at the first 5, and by the end of 2 videos, you'll know exactly which one could transform your business. We've all seen it happen. One day a company doesn't exist, and 18 months later they're dominating their industry. Meanwhile, talented business owners work twice as hard, but remain stuck in the same revenue bracket year after year. The difference isn't luck, timing, or even having the best product. It's about having the right foundation in place before you hit the accelerator. Here's what we're going to cover today. The first 5 proven ingredients that fast-scaling companies have mastered, why most business owners get these completely wrong, and how you can implement them immediately to start seeing results. We'll share real examples from companies that went from startup to global influence in under 2 years, plus show you the exact mistakes that cause rapid growth to collapse just as quickly as it started. The first ingredient might surprise you because it's not tactical at all. It's mindset. Without this foundation, everything else we discuss becomes irrelevant. The fastest growing companies are led by people with unshakable belief in their destination. They face the same self-doubt and imposter syndrome we all experience, but they push through it with absolute certainty that they will succeed. Think about companies like Airbnb or Uber. Their founders didn't just hope their ideas would work, they operated with complete conviction that they would revolutionize entire industries. This wasn't arrogance, it was strategic confidence that allowed them to make bold decisions and recover from setbacks that would destroy less committed competitors. You need that same unwavering belief that your business will reach its destination, regardless of obstacles. This mindset becomes the driving force that powers every other ingredient we'll discuss. The second ingredient is benchmarking. Most business owners operate in isolation, missing massive opportunities to accelerate their growth by learning from others. The smartest entrepreneurs study both success stories and failures within their industry and beyond. Look at how Netflix studied blockbuster videos' decline while simultaneously learning from Amazon's customer obsession. They didn't just copy what worked, they analyzed why certain strategies succeeded while others failed spectacularly. This intelligence gathering allowed them to avoid common pitfalls and identify opportunities their competitors missed. Start researching companies that achieve the growth you want. What did they do differently? What obstacles did they overcome? How did they structure their operations? This knowledge becomes your roadmap for rapid scaling. The third ingredient is strategy. Without clear strategic direction, you're just working harder, not smarter. Strategy means knowing exactly where you're going, understanding the challenges ahead, and creating specific plans to navigate around obstacles. Consider how Tesla approached the automotive industry. Instead of competing directly with established manufacturers on their terms, they created an entirely new category around electric luxury vehicles. Their strategy acknowledged the barriers: manufacturing capacity, charging infrastructure, consumer skepticism, then systematically addressed each one. Your strategy should clearly define your destination and map out the specific steps needed to get there, including how you'll handle predictable challenges. Ingredient 4 is systems. This is where most fast-growing companies either succeed dramatically or fail catastrophically. Without proper systems, rapid growth becomes chaos. Every process needs to be documented, standardized, and optimized before you scale. McDonald's didn't become global by having the best burgers. They created systems so refined that any location anywhere could deliver consistent results. When you have bulletproof systems, growth doesn't create confusion, it creates predictable expansion. Document how everything gets done in your business. Create standard operating procedures for every role and process. This foundation allows you to scale without losing quality or control. The fifth ingredient is structure. Your organizational structure must be designed for the size you want to become, not the size you are today. Companies that scale successfully think 3 years ahead when designing their teams and reporting structures. Amazon's Jeff Bezos famously created organizational charts for a company 10 times larger than what existed, then hired and structured teams to fill that future vision. This forward-thinking approach prevented the growing pains that destroy most rapidly scaling businesses. Map out the organizational structure you'll need at your target size. What roles will be essential? How will teams be organized? What management layers will be required? Build toward this structure from day one. If you want to dive deeper into creating the operational foundation that makes rapid scaling possible, we have something that will help. We've created a comprehensive guide that shows you exactly how to identify and eliminate the friction points that slow down growth in most businesses. This free resource walks you through a systematic approach to optimizing your operations so your business runs smoothly even as it scales rapidly. You'll learn how to spot the bottlenecks that cause growth to stall and the specific steps to remove them before they become problems. The guide includes real case studies from businesses that transformed their operations and achieved breakthrough growth, plus templates you can use to audit your own systems and processes. But operational excellence is just the foundation. To truly scale your business quickly while maintaining control and profitability, you need a complete system that covers everything from strategic planning to team building to customer acquisition. That's exactly what we cover in our comprehensive business course, designed specifically for small to medium-sized business owners who want to build companies that run without them. This course shows you step by step how to set up your business for success so that you run your business rather than your business running you. Inside, you'll discover the complete framework for building a scalable business, including advanced strategies for each of the 10 ingredients we discussed today. You'll see real examples from businesses that went from struggling startups to industry leaders, and get the exact templates and systems they use to make it happen. The course covers everything from developing an unshakable entrepreneurial mindset to creating systems that allow your business to grow without your constant involvement. You'll learn how to build teams that execute your vision perfectly, create partnerships that accelerate growth, and develop multiple revenue streams that provide stability and rapid expansion. Most importantly, you'll discover how to avoid the common mistakes that cause rapid growth to collapse just as quickly as it started. We've seen too many promising businesses scale fast only to crash when their foundations couldn't support the increased demands. This course ensures you build for sustainable long-term success while achieving the rapid growth you want. You can access more information about the course by clicking the next video that appears on screen or by clicking the link in the description below. Whether you start with our free Operational Excellence Guide or dive straight into the complete course, the most important thing is that you start today. Every day you delay implementing these ingredients is another day your competitors might be pulling ahead. Remember, the businesses that scale fastest aren't necessarily the ones with the best products or the most funding. They're the ones that master these fundamental ingredients and apply them systematically. So here's your challenge. Pick one ingredient from today's discussion that resonates most strongly with your current situation. Maybe it's developing that unshakable mindset, or perhaps it's finally creating the systems your business desperately needs. Whatever it is, commit to making progress on it this week. Click the link below to get your free Operational Excellence Guide, or click on the next video for the course, and start building the foundation for rapid, sustainable growth. Your scaled business is waiting. It's time to make it happen. Part 2 of How to Scale Fast will be along shortly.